In this video, we're going to talk about the escape characters. To insert characters that are illegal in a string, we can use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. Here's an example. So here we have a text called "We are the so-called Vikings from the north." So here, yeah, it is illegal to insert a quotation into a string because we use quotes to actually start and end a string. We can't put them inside a string. So to escape from this, we can say "we are the so-called," and then if you want to print a quotation mark or double quotes, we can actually precede it with a backslash, one for here, one for here. Now it should be legal. And then here are the rest of the escape characters to print or to insert a single quote into the string or print. We can do backslash single quote, backslash double quote, and backslash n will put a new line character in here, and backslash t will do a tab. If I want to actually print the backslash itself, you need two of them, one to escape, one to print or insert, and finally the backslash b to insert a backspace. So let's see some examples here. So here we have a print, it's all right. So here the single quotation here is preceded by a backslash, when we can print it as "it's all right." And then here another example. If you want to break the string into two lines, we can put a backslash n in wherever we want to break. Here we go. This will print it as "hello world." And finally, if you want to put tab in between strings, you can use backslash t and it will print it like this. So let's see this in the editor. Now let's see some examples of escape characters here. So first thing I want to do is I want to print a string Jon Snow. There we go. So if I want to print Jon Snow in actual quotations, I can do one quotation mark followed by another one and a backslash and one more here, backslash and a quotation mark. Now I was able to print this in quotation marks. So with the same way, if I want to break the line into two lines, I can do backslash n, and here we go, John and Snow are separated. Okay. So what we saw in the previous example, we were able to foresee in say Jon Snow, I can print the C. Now something new to learn, every print statement automatically ends with a backslash n, new line character. So that's by default. Whether you put this in here or not, you will always get the same output like this, because backslash n is default anyway. However, you can replace the backslash n with other things such as space, and now it will no longer put every character in a new line. It will put all of them in the same line, separated by a space. This is how it will look like. So you can actually replace it with other things such as empty string. Now you'll have it printed. One problem. Let's fix this. We'll start from here. Here. So Jon Snow with no extra spaces. You could do other funny things with this. Let me hit enter first. Okay. Then I can do, so now you can be creative. You can put anything in between. Let's say dash. I will print a dash in between every character. Right, so this is how we could use the escape characters.